Hi there. Today we're going to make another Chinese dumpling. Tasty fillings are essential to delicious dumpling making. So today we're going to focus on the making of the fillings. Details about how to wrap dumplings, please check out my turkey celery dumpling video. Today's main characters are the ground beef and white radish. Shred the cleaned radish. And put it into the water, boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes to remove the distinct radish smell, which sometimes could be unpleasant. Cool it down. Squeeze out the water and put it aside. Now chop about 3 bulbs of scallions. We do need a little bit more scallion for this recipe to remove the strong beef smell. And then mince the ginger root. Add salt to the mixture of the beef, scallions, and ginger root. A little bit dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce. 5 spice. Fish sauce. Cooking wine. And grind some black pepper. Mix them well to the same direction. This is the trick. I'm sure that you already heard me talking about mixing things in the same direction many times. Add the oil or any other cooking oil you love. The beef typically needs a little bit more oil compared to pork or even turkey. It's just because the texture typically is dry. Now mix all of these with the radish, shredded radish that we have boiled and squeezed out the water. Add a little bit more salt. Mix again, same direction, until it's all well mixed. Now this is the portion I'm gonna do a speedy play because I've done that in the celery turkey dumpling in more details. So just keep rolling. This is where I'm making the wrap. You can also get the dumpling wraps from Oriental stores. So let's just make one beautiful dumpling for today's illustration purpose. Good job. Now about 30 minutes later, wrapping all of the rolling the dumplings is ready for us to throw them into the boiling water. Once it's all floating, wait for about 3 more minutes. Let it boil for 3 more minutes. Then take it out, drain the water. It's ready to eat and enjoy. How beautiful it is. Tasty, healthy, so easy to make compared to the restaurant food. This is a lot more affordable. Enjoy. See you next time.